So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can log in your Snapchat account in another phone. So for this, first of all, download the application of Snapchat from your Play Store or App Store. And friends, as you open the Snapchat application, here you have to tap on the login option, and as you tap on the login option, this kind of login page will be opened. And first of all friends, if you know your Snapchat account username, email address or linked mobile number, then fill in the first box, and guys, then fill the password of your Snapchat account and then tap on the login option. And guys, if you don't know your Snapchat account username or like password, so in that situation you have to tap on the forget your password option, and then you have to select via phone or via email. Actually, if your Snapchat account is linked with via phone, then you have to select via phone, and if your Snapchat account is linked with email address, then you have to select email. So for example, my Snapchat account is linked with via phone, so I will select via phone option. And then friends, you have to type your mobile number which is linked with your Snapchat account, and if you selected email address, then in that situation you have to fill that linked email address and then tap on the submit option. So guys, as you tap on the submit option, a confirmation code you will receive through WhatsApp or SMS. So as you fill the OTP, then our new page will be open friends, and here you can reset your Snapchat account password. So simply generate our new password and then fill the exact password in the confirm password box and then tap on the submit option. So as you tap on the submit option, your Snapchat account will be logged in another phones in which you are trying to like log in. And friends, by using your Snapchat account's new password or your linked email address or phone, you can log in any like device. So keep in mind, always keep in mind your Snapchat account password, username or linked mobile number or email address. And guys, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.